Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if you are using Hey Siri on your iPhone. At the time you're facing this type of problem error, as you can see guys in my screen, or there is a problem, please try again. So don't worry, in this video I will show you several working fixes to solve this Siri problem on any iPhone step by step, and one of these fix usually solve the issue within minutes. So make sure you watch until the end. When you're facing the problem, first you need to check your internet connection. Siri needs a stable internet connection to work properly. So open Safari or any other web browser or any other application to check your internet connectivity. In case the internet connection is not working on your other app as well, so this means guys, Siri is also not work and you can get any kind of random errors. First you need to sort out your internet issue. In case the internet is working very fine perfectly on other app, only you're facing the issue on Siri. While using the Siri, at that time you can try this method. Now you need to enable the airplane mode, wait 5 seconds and turn off again. Now try using Siri once more. If the issue is still there, move to the next fix. Now you need to restart your Siri completely. To do this guys, you need to open your phone settings. In the phone settings, here you need to search Siri. Okay, open it, open the talk to Siri and then turn off this. Okay, now restart your iPhone. After restarting, once again you need to enable the Hey Siri from here. Now it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Open your Siri setting once again and open the language. Here you need to select the correct language. Okay, English US or English India. After changing the language, now you need to test the Hey Siri once again. Hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same. If you are using any VPN on your iPhone, you need to disconnect the VPN from your iPhone. After disconnecting, now it will fix your problem. One more thing guys, also you need to check your phone date and time setting. If the phone date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Open iPhone settings, go to journal, go to date and time and correct your date and time setting. Now check the Siri is working properly fine or not. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings. To reset it guys, open the journal setting on your iPhone and from here open the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here you need to reset your network settings, and then one more thing you need to do, open the software update page. If the software update is there, simply go ahead update your iPhone. Now reconnect your internet if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data after updating. Now try to use Hey Siri and it will fix your problem. So that's for today guys, hope you enjoy our video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction. See you in the next one. Thank you.